Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern or a password protection on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys for a few seconds. Release both keys as soon as MAXCOM logo pops up, and as you can see, this is the factory mode of your device. Here you can navigate by using volume down. So the whole menu is in Chinese, but it's easy to find clear eMMC option and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and install apps. Let's just be patient, wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. As you may also notice, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.